Here are 8 amazing websites that you need to know about if you want to make a bunch of money investing in crypto. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that BlockFi credit card if you want to earn free crypto on every single purchase. In today's video, I will share 8 amazing websites that I personally use when I do research. These are some of the websites that your favorite influencers use to make money. These websites provide amazing research, amazing analytics, and a ton of other important data that can help you make the right decision when it comes to investing in crypto. Personally, I use every single one of these sites that I'm about to mention, and I definitely recommend you check them out and save them, bookmark them, do whatever. They have some amazing research on there. These websites are pretty much for every type of investor. It doesn't matter if you only invest in large cap coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, BNB, Solana, or if you love low cap gems like myself and you want to pick the right one that can potentially do a 5-10x and make you a ton of money. Or if you love meme coins and that is all you invest in. Put $100, get out $1 million. Whatever your strategy is, these websites can definitely help you out along the way so you can make even more money. And now, without wasting any more of your time, let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you these 8 amazing websites. Let's go. Alright, the first website is called Crypto Bubbles. These websites are not in any particular order, but the last one is definitely a gem, so make sure you watch the video until the very end. But Crypto Bubbles is pretty much a website that shows you the performance of the overall market. Best of all, on this website, you can select the top 100 coins or the top 1,000 coins. It doesn't matter what you select, it will give you the overall market. Also guys, one other thing that I love about this website is the exchanges. You can click on Coinbase, Gate.io, or one of my favorite exchanges out there, KuCoin. So for example, you press on KuCoin and it will show you the majority of coins on that exchange and how they are performing. Check out Hydra is up 41%. That is one of my positions. Jump up 167%. But you are able to see how the majority of the coins on the KuCoin exchange are performing. Also, if you do not have a KuCoin account, I do not know what you're waiting for. The link will be in the description. That is one of the best exchanges out there, especially if you are looking for low cap gems that can do a 5-10x, possibly even a 100x. Website number 2 is called Cryptopanic. This website will give you all the latest breaking news when it comes to crypto. And in my opinion, it is absolutely amazing, especially if you are looking to trade crypto. As we all know, crypto moves on the news. And if you can get the news before everyone else, you can definitely execute a trade and make some money along the way. Also, 35 minutes ago, Ethereum whales accumulate little known altcoin after Coinbase listing. So if you catch this article before everyone else, you can go and buy this little altcoin that nobody knows about, and then you can potentially make some money trading it. This website also has a bunch of different polls and bunch of videos as well. So definitely check it out. Website number 3 is called Lunarcrush. This is definitely one of my favorites. Social intelligence for crypto. Make informed investment decisions by harnessing the power of real-time social insight and market metrics. So if you are looking to see what will be the next trending thing in crypto, this is the website you gotta check out. So when you scroll down, you are able to see the top 10 coins. You can arrange these however you like, by volume, by social engagement, by social dominance, and a bunch of other categories. By simply looking at the volume, you will see that Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing the best. Also, Tezos has received a ton of volume simply because they got a huge partnership with one of the biggest soccer clubs in the world. Also, meme coins are definitely always on the list with Dogecoin, Shiba, and SafeMoon. And then Cardano and a couple of other ones. But this is a great website to see what will be trending next. Also, they will show you most recently added coins. This is where you can find projects before they start pumping. And now let's move on to website number 4. and it is Cryptometer. On this website, you are able to see the volume of each pair. Cryptometer provides a bunch of analytics and a bunch of market data that can help you make money. For example, trend. When you click on trend, you will see that right now we are in the trading zone. And this will show you the current market sentiment when it comes to crypto. Also, a heat map. This is pretty much the overall market as well. Reminds me of the stock market. Also, you are able to see whale trades where you are able to see what the whales are buying and selling. Cryptometer has a ton of other awesome information as well. Also, volume flow, and this website provides a ton of more tools. You are able to trade the volatility index, the rapid movers, whale trades, futures trade. I'm telling you, this website has a ton of awesome tools. Website number 5, this is also one of my favorite ones. It is called WhaleStats. It pretty much analyzes the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets. And you are able to see exactly what they are holding, what they are selling, what they are buying. You are able to see what whales are accumulating, all of that important information. Also, you'll be able to copy any of these addresses and then simply paste it to Etherscan, and you can follow a specific wallet. Whatever they buy, you can buy as well. Whatever they are accumulating, you can start accumulating as well. Don't get me wrong, you definitely still have to do more research. You cannot just copy whales and expect to become rich overnight. But in my opinion, it is definitely an amazing tool. It is always great to see what the rich, what the wealthy are doing. And simply copying them can definitely give you decent results. Also, it will show you the mostly widely held token by whales, which is Uniswap. And then right here, most traded NFTs in these big whale Ethereum wallets. And it will give you a list of them. Best of all, they have this amazing thread with a bunch of funny memes and a bunch of other cool stuff. Also, WhaleStats provides information not only for Ethereum, but also Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Polygon, and Avalanche. Best of all, you are able to click on a token and you are able to see more information. Let's click on Shiba Inu, for example. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see a bunch of important information. Obviously, the volume and all that stuff. Then when you scroll down, you are able to see the top holders of how much they hold, their value. As you can see, the biggest whale right now has $910 million worth of Shiba, about 4.06%. And right here, you are able to see the big transactions that are happening on Shiba. As you can see, one whale accumulated just over $1 million worth of Shiba. Others sold, others accumulated even more. But in my opinion, it is great to see what the whales are doing. Website number 6 is called Masari. This website has a ton of in-depth research that can help you make the right decision. As you can see, when you click on research, you can press research for Web3, NFTs, social tokens, and more. Also, the DeFi space, infrastructure, macro, valuations, and a ton of other stuff as well. For example, let's click on Web 3.0. This will show you some amazing articles where top analysts are doing research in some of your favorite projects. For example, let's click on this one, Live Peer. When you click on this, it will show you the entire article. I'm definitely not going to read it, but as you can see, it shows you all the breakdown of the project, shows you how it operates, the pros, the cons. It shows you pretty much all the details that can help you make the decision of whether you should invest in this project or not. But as you can see, definitely great research. Also, Masari does have a pro version where you are able to track all the major updates, governance, token sales, hacks, all of that important information. It pretty much shows you a calendar and the times these events will happen. In my opinion, this is a great way to get up on a trade and potentially make some money. Big news, big events definitely can swing the markets. Website number 7 is called Quant. This website is used by a bunch of influencers, TikTokers, YouTubers. This is where they find those amazing charts that shows you if Bitcoin is leaving exchanges or if it's coming back. For example, on this chart, it shows you the exchange reserves. As you can see, the blue line shows you that crypto is definitely leaving exchanges. And then the black one shows you the current price of Bitcoin. Quant offers a ton of amazing charts just like this one. Let's take a look at one of my favorite projects, Ethereum. When you see the chart for Ethereum, you will see that Ethereum is definitely leaving the exchanges. A lot of people are hoarding Ethereum and keeping it for the long term. In my opinion, this is a very good sign. And this brings us to the final website on this list. But before I show you this gem, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let's look at website number 8. And it is the one and only CoinMarketCap. A lot of people sleep on CoinMarketCap, but in my opinion, it is a great website that provides a ton of valuable information. For example, the biggest gainers. You are able to see pretty much the new meme coins that are hitting the market. Also recently added, I'm telling you guys, CoinMarketCap has probably made me more money than all the other websites that I mentioned so far. Also, it shows you a bunch of information about NFTs, top collections, upcoming sales. You are able to create your own portfolio, track your performances, all of that stuff. Plus, they have a ton of other amazing stuff, especially in DeFi. You are able to see free airdrops, ICO calendars, Polkadot parachains, events, all of that stuff. And a lot of this information on CoinMarketCap is absolutely free. So a lot of people, in my opinion, are sleeping on CoinMarketCap. So those are the 8 amazing websites that I personally use when I do research. I'll link all 8 of them in the description box below so you can check them out. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Peace out.